Good morning students. Today we are learn OC subject 5th topic emerging mode of business. Subtopic we are learn today here online business. Online transaction. Online transactions they are the first we are learn today here's meaning. First, online transaction is done with the help of the internet. It cannot take place without a proper internet connect. It must be required proper internet connect. Online transaction occur when the process of buying and selling take place through the internet. Completely online transactions they occur where the process of buying and selling take place through the internet. Without internet, we can't do any online transaction. It must be required internet connect. When a consumer purchase a product or a service online, she pay for it through online transactions. Let's now we learn procedures of online transactions. First, the online transaction move through pre-sales, actual purchase sales and delivery stage. It involves the following 3 steps. First, pre-purchase sale. Pre-purchase sales it means they depend upon the information provided by the seller. Next, actual purchase sale. Actual purchase sale this depends on the price, actual purchase and sale and the mode of payment. And last stage, delivery stage. Delivery stage after the completion of the sale, the goods are delivered and therefore the sales is completed. That's the delivery stage. It involves there are the following steps. First, we are learn the first steps registration. Registration it must be required on online transaction. Without registration we can't do any online transaction. It must be required registrations. First procedure, first steps we are learn today here registration. Before online shopping, one has to register with the online vendor by filing of a registration form. Every vendor's filing of a registration form. Registration is the first steps in the online transaction. For online transaction, registration is required. The consumer need to log in a particular website. For example, Amazon, Snapdeals, etc. To consumers need to log in particular website to buy a particular articles or service. The customer's email ID, name, address, other details are saved with the website. For security reasons, the buyer accounts and pick up while browsing the online stores. Then another words, the registrations means the person who want to buy or sell online must register with an online vendors by filing of a registration form. He should file details like his account numbers, passwords and a shopping cart, which are password protected for security reason. This is the first steps procedures of online transactions, registrations. Another one says placing an order. Placing an order there is the second steps. It is the second step in online transaction. When a customer like a product or service, he put the product in the shopping cart. The shopping cart gives a record of numbers of unit or quantity desired to be bought per item selected and the price for each item. The buyer then proceeds to the payment option after selecting all the product. Placing of an orders means the online buyers has to pick the goods from the website and drop them in his shopping cart. This the computer maintains the list of the shopping cart. Which item we are purchasing? They are the one list are prepared for computers. The computer maintains the list of the shopping cart which is transferred to the seller after the buyer decide the mode of payment. This is the second step, placing an order. Another one's third step, payment. Payment, it is the last step in online transaction. The buyer has to select the payment option. This payment systems are secured with very high level encryptions. The personal financial information is completely secured. It means the payments can be made by various modes. We are learn one by one. First, cash on delivery. In this type of payment, the buyer pay when she receive the product. The payment is made at the doorstep, your home, your doorsteps. The customer can pay in cash or by debit or credit card. It means payment in cash on the delivery of the goods. So times the delivery of goods, we are pay in cash. Another one, check. In this type of payment, the buyer send a check to the seller and the seller send the product after the realization of the check. It means the payment can be done by a check, with the vendor will collect, and after the realizations of the check, the goods are delivered to the buyer. Another one, the payments, net banking transfer. In this type of payment, the payment is transferred from the buyer's account to the seller's account electronically. After the payment is received by the buyer, the seller display the goods to the buyers. It is the electronic facility of transfer fund through the internet. It means the types of payment is transformed from the buyer account to the seller account electronically. After the payment is received by the buyers, the sellers display the goods. It is the electronic facility of transfer fund through the internet. It is the net banking. Money can be transferred by internet. The buyers transfer the amount to the online vendor's account, and after receiving the payment, the seller gives delivery of the goods. Thus, net banking transfer is an electronic facility of transferring funds through the internet. That is the net banking. Another one, debit or credit card. The buyer make payment through debit or credit card. An amount get deducted from customer's account. Debit or credit card, popularly known as a plastic money, ATM. They are mostly used for online payments. Debit and credit card, it is a very common methods of payments. The vendor get the payment from the buyer's bank through his credit or debit card. The delivery of the goods is given only after receiving the payment. This is the debit and credit card. Use the ATM card. Another one, digital cash. Digital cash is the form of electronic currencies that exist only in cyberspace and has no real physical properties but offer the ability to use real currencies in an electronic format. This form of electronic currency exists only in cyberspace. It is a facility which enables payment in real currency in an electronic format. Here is the digital cash. There are some of the way on which payment can be made for online shopping. Online shopping has become so common. Various goods like men's watch, sports shoes, t-shirts, women's casuals, slippers, tops, glasses, dresses, etc. Online shopping offering shopping that is a stylish, talented and reliable goods reach your doorsteps. That's the online shopping. Now we learn buying selling process. Buying selling process, there are the 6 steps buying selling process. First, buyer finds sales. Next, selection of goods. After selection of goods, negotiate of price and delivery terms and conditions. They are read all the terms and conditions to sellers. Then sell the goods. Payments and delivery. Online payments or delivery on payments. Then post sale activate. It means information play a very important role in all the transaction. Information is exchanged in both traditional as well as online business. But as compared to traditional business, internet transactions are very easy to compare to traditional transaction. In traditional business, time is required to travel, to negotiate, to convenience and presence of both the party for face-to-face interaction is necessary. In this process, lot of time is wasted, where as an online transactions required information is provided with terms and conditions and it is free from most of the problem refers above. So online transactions are easy and resulted oriented than traditional transaction, traditional business. Currently coming for COVID-19 that as the one problems are facing for face-to-face transactions, there the online shoppings, there is a very easy and result oriented, there is the more convenience to all the customers. Then we are learned today here online transactions. Now assignment questions, write the meanings of online transactions and write down procedures of online transactions. Thank you.